In this video, we are going to go over how to translate a graph of either a vertical line or a horizontal line into an equation. It's not so bad, peeps, and it follows from those direct translations that I used in an earlier video. So if you haven't watched it, watch that earlier video where we start out with an equation and graph the line. So I like to say things out literally as I see it. So let's start with the vertical line. What I see on this vertical line is every single x value is 2. Like if you look at any points on here, right? There's the point 2, 2. And here's another point right here, and that's another point 2, 4. You could have 2, -1, 2, -22,000. It just keeps going on and on. So I say x is 2, no matter where we are. So x is 2. Oh. Well, that's your equation, right? Is, we know, is synonymous in math with equals. So x is equal to 2. Y can be anything it wants, right? We can rise all we want, but x is 2. That's it. That's all there is to it, peeps. So when you have a vertical line, it's always going to be in the form x equals a value because a vertical line keeps you at that same x value. That's it. So now let's look at the horizontal line right here. Now, if you've already seen that vertical lines are x equals a number, then I think you're going to maybe guess that this involves y, and we'll see why right now. So I look at this line and we go down 1, 2, 3, 4. So every single y value, let's pick this point here, every single y value, this is the point, let's see, 2, -4. Every single y value, it seems, has a -4 as its y value in this case. So -1, -4. So every single y value is -4. The x values change. So again, I make a translation and I say y is -4. Well, if y is -4, no matter where we are on here, then y is equal to -4. So for horizontal lines, you will always have something of the form y equals a set number because the y value does not change. Y equals is always that set y value. Again, vertical lines, x equals a set x value. Don't memorize it, understand it, see it. Great stuff. Heck, awesome stuff.